I'm Laura. And I'm Tia. And we're from Little Button Diaries. And today we have a super easy kids craft for you. It is this wonderful craft foam fox mask. It's very easy to make with a little bit of elastic, and I think it looks pretty good on me. So keep watching and we'll show you how to make it. Draw around the template onto the foam and then cut it out. Make sure you cut 2 of the black ears. Line up all the pieces onto the mask, and when you're happy with the arrangement, glue them down. Staple one end of the elastic onto one side of the mask at the back. Then place the mask on your child's head, measure the elastic so that it fits, and cut to size. And staple the other side onto the other side of the mask. There we have it, a really simple fox mask made out of craft foam and elastic. And once you've got this basic template, you can basically adjust it to make any animal you like. And if you check the website, there's going to be templates for both of these ones as well as the fox. Thanks for watching.